When the MasterCraft design team put pen to paper to create a new family of boats that had world-class wakes and waves, unlimited customizability, and that killer MasterCraft style, the XT family was born. This one behind me is the XT23. With any MasterCraft, you're getting the best waves and wakes, comfort, reliability, and the latest and greatest technology. So what makes the XT23 unique? To start, the XT23 is the best surf boat on the market. There's a reason why our world-renowned surfers Ashley Kidd, Austin Keene, and Jett Lambert rely on the XT23 to help them become the best of the best. This boat delivers the tallest, longest, and most symmetrical waves with unmatched push and customizability, along with unrivaled comfort, fit, and finish, and cutting-edge technology. Now let's dive into the details. Beginning at the transom, the XT23 features SurfStar, boasting an unrivaled surfing experience thanks to its ability to easily deliver thousands of wave options. From mellow and kid-friendly to steep and powerful, simply select a rapid surf preset and the XT23 automatically creates a perfect wave to accommodate any skill level. For those who like to fine-tune your wave, utilize the custom surf interface for full control of speed, ballast, and surf device position. Whether you're setting up for surfing, wakeboarding, or foiling on the XT23, you'll spend less time waiting and more time riding thanks to the optional fast fill ballast. The high flow pumps used in MasterCraft's fast fill technology will fill or drain ballast in a matter of minutes. The XT23 comes standard with underwater exhaust, substantially reducing engine noise and fumes to provide a more refined, pleasant experience for your entire crew. And for those of you who spend most of your time behind the wheel, you can now upgrade your XT23 with the most powerful stern thruster on the market. It can spin the boat 360 degrees in under 30 seconds. Plus, the control is integrated into the throttle knob, so it's easily accessible, easy to use, and super intuitive. When it's time to get in and out of the boat, your crew can do so with ease, thanks to an optional flip-down swim step and a standard transom walkthrough. And one of our favorite features of the XT23, the integrated transom seating. The sliding base is standard, and a flip-up backrest can be added to take your lounging to the next level. The transom also features storage trays under both rear hatches, so you can easily store and access vests and ropes from either side of the transom. The XT23 boasts a spacious cockpit that's as comfortable as it is functional. With seating for up to 16, the U-shaped layout is ideal for socializing, and there's an optional convertible flip seat that allows passengers to enjoy conversations in the boat or watch the action behind it. Beneath all the plush interior seating, the XT23 provides extensive under-seat storage and built-in cooler locations, all with hinge seating to make access effortless. For even more comfort on board, upgrade your upholstery to Cool Feel, a unique material that stays up to 30% cooler than standard marine vinyl. This means there's no reason to shy away from those rich colors that complement your custom design. And 2025 brings some exciting new vinyl and gel coat options to really round out the MasterCraft palette. Like this one, we've named Magnetic Blue. Packed with Klipsch audio, high-quality acoustic entertainment comes standard on the XT23. Our advanced audio package has 6 interior speakers and a subwoofer spread throughout the boat. You can select our premium audio package for additional dash speakers and a bonus subwoofer that provides extra bass. Plus, the XT23 comes standard with 4 phone holders in the cockpit area that can all be upgraded to provide wireless charging so you can keep the tunes going all day. Now let's talk about the towers that are available on the XT23. This model can be equipped with 3 different tower options: the Z6, Z8, and Z10. All towers come standard with easy-to-use clamping board racks, or you can opt for power board racks. Along with our Bimini board storage, you're getting 10 spots for boards. The Z8 and Z10 can be customized with colored inlays to seamlessly link your tower and gel coat design. And the Z6 is now available in all black. And for the ultimate experience behind the boat, you can load up your tower with up to 4 speakers. For 2025, the helm area of the XT23 has been completely redesigned. A massive 12-inch touchscreen is now standard, and the entire helm has a much more modern and clean aesthetic. A convenient storage cubby and phone holder has also been added behind the steering wheel. Along with improving aesthetics, this redesign allowed us to maximize space between the top of the dashboard and the windshield header, providing a larger viewing window for the captain. While the hardware upgrades are beautiful, we also reworked the entire interface to make it even more intuitive, immersive, and customizable. A rudder position sensor has also been added for an enhanced driving experience. To make on-the-fly changes easier than ever before, we designed MasterCraft MyDrive, a rotary encoder that puts key controls at your fingertips. The hotkeys and rotary dial allow you to make effortless adjustments while keeping your eyes focused on the water ahead. The 2025 XT23 also has a new helm seat that provides unmatched ergonomics and comfort in a more contemporary design. Below the dash, the XT23 comes with a standard wireless phone charger to keep the captain's phone fully powered. The XT23 sports a traditional bow that provides classic styling and tons of comfort, storage, and functionality. An open walkway leads into the bow, where you can also opt for a filler cushion if you prefer playpen seating. Thanks to the strategic subfloor ballast design, there's ample underseat storage in the bow, as well as dedicated anchor storage on centerline. The XT23 stands as a testament to MasterCraft's unwavering commitment to excellence in design and construction quality. Our team of naval architects designed all of our models to deliver a smooth and dry ride that surpasses industry standards for towboats. Using the best materials throughout the construction process guarantees an exceptional, smooth, and comfortable on-water experience, even when faced with rough conditions. With the XT23, you also receive the option of a custom trailer to match your boat. Choose your own colors, wheels, and graphics, and even opt for fiberglass fenders, a backup camera, electronic brakes, or a tire pressure monitoring system for an unparalleled towing experience. Now let's talk about how this thing is powered. The XT23 now comes standard with our all-new 5.3-liter GDI high-output motor. It utilizes the latest in automotive technology to deliver 380 horsepower, 407 pound-feet of torque, a 4-star emissions rating, improved efficiency and power, and approximately 15% less fuel consumption than our legacy 6-liter engine. And it's all backed by the Ilmor name. We partner exclusively with Ilmor Marine to design our engines. They're known for hand-building race car engines, and they're highly revered for both their performance and endurance in the racing industry. That's precisely why MasterCraft's engines are backed with an unrivaled warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. Plus, all the 2025 XT models come with a new fresh air intake, which means more power, better efficiency, and more improved performance, even on the hottest summer days. Our commitment to quality and reliability continues even after a MasterCraft boat leaves the factory. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the world to ensure you get the best customer experience out there. Thanks to standard onboard telematics, our dealers can now remotely monitor your boat's vitals to keep up with your service needs. Telematics also allows you to check on your boat's health and status via the innovative MasterCraft Connect app. You can even switch off your battery remotely from your phone, placing reassurance and convenience in the palm of your hand. Finally, rest assured that every XT23 comes standard with MasterCare. We're here to support you with a comprehensive 5-year, 500-hour warranty featuring minimal exclusions. Thank you for joining me today to learn about the XT23. If you'd like to experience the MasterCraft difference firsthand, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer or head over to mastercraft.com.